In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone issues in Jira. Cloning an issue in Jira is a quick way to create a copy of an existing task, bug, or story, without having to build everything from scratch. This is especially useful when you need a similar issue with the same structure, but you still want the flexibility to update a few details afterward. To get started, open Jira and then open the project where your issue is located. Once you're inside the correct project, go to the list view so you can see all of your issues more clearly. This makes it easier to find the exact item you want to duplicate. Next, select the Jira issue you want to clone. Open that issue so you can access its full details. When the issue is open, look to the top right corner for the More menu, which is usually shown as 3 dots. Click that menu to reveal additional options related to the issue. From the drop-down menu, select Clone. Jira will then open a pop-up dialog where you can review the details for the new copied issue before creating it. One important thing to notice here is the summary field. By default, Jira often adds a clone prefix to the issue title. If you want the new issue to have a cleaner name, or if you want to make it easier to recognize later, you can edit the summary at this stage and remove or change that prefix. Once everything looks good, click Create. Jira will begin creating the cloned issue, and you may briefly see a progress indicator showing that the clone is being generated. After the process is complete, the new cloned issue will open automatically. At this point, take a moment to review the newly created issue. Then go back to the list view, where you will now be able to see the new clone alongside your other issues. Open it again if needed so you can add more information or adjust any details. This is a good time to update fields like the description, assignee, priority, or any other information that should be different from the original issue. Cloning saves time, but it's always smart to double-check that the copied issue matches your current needs. That's all it takes to clone an issue in Jira. Thanks for watching.